Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about a new tablet available in the Indian market. So I have with me the Moto Tab G62 and it comes with a lot of premium features. One of the most important features that Motorola has brought in is Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. So you get a really good output when you're watching movies or videos or even just playing games. So here's the unboxing and the first impressions of the same. So this is the new tab from Motorola and it comes with this sort of a box. So let me just see what Motorola has packed in this. So the first thing that you can see here is the tablet itself. Okay, I'll be exploring more of what the tab has to offer later on. So below here we have the 20-watt charging adapter and it also comes with a USB Type-C cable. This is for charging. You also get a SIM card ejector tool over here and some more details about the new tab, including a quick start guide, the safety and other warranty details. So let me see the features and the other specifications of the new Moto Tab G62. So I've just switched it on and I'm going to set up the tab now. So as I said earlier, one of the most prominent features of the new tablet is the Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. You can see the speaker grill over here, and there's also a Type-C charging port over here. You know, it's got very narrow bezels and so on. So you have the power controls here and the volume controls here, and more importantly you have the selfie camera over here. So at the rear you get a single camera which seems to be pretty powerful, and I'll be exploring more of the camera details later on. So the new Moto Tab G62 comes with Android 12 and it comes with a couple of preloaded apps, like as you can see there's Netflix over here and mostly Google based apps, and Motorola has also included a couple of apps that are dedicated for the tab. So you also get a stylus support, but there is no stylus with the box, so you'll have to purchase that additionally. So what makes the new Motorola tablet unique is the 10-inch 2K display. So you get a lot of real estate over here, so to, you know, if you want to watch something or even to play games. So this makes it, the 2K resolution further enhances the overall experience, especially if you want to use it for multitasking, like if you want to take down notes or you know, create some new content, etc. And additionally the Dolby quad speakers also further enhances the overall experience. And let's just see what the specifications are under the hood. So as you can see here, I've just opened the settings and the about tab of the new Motorola tablet. So over here it comes with 4 GB RAM, and this particular tablet comes with 64 GB storage, and there also seems to be a dedicated micro SD card slot for further memory expansion. And more importantly, this new Motorola tab comes with the Snapdragon 680 processor, so it kind of offers a smooth and glitch-free experience for all multitasking and so on. And so as I was speaking of the cameras previously, so you get an 8MP camera in the front and an 8MP camera at the rear. So the overall photography or the camera experience of the new tab should also be quite premium. So when we compare a tablet with a smartphone, one of the major upgrades that you get with the tab is the massive battery. So here Motorola has included a massive 7700 mAh battery, and as I showed you earlier, it comes with a 20-watt charging adapter. So that was the new Moto Tab G62, and as you can see, it comes with a lot of premium features. So Motorola is aiming to take on rivals and competitors with this new tablet, including tabs from Xiaomi, Realme and other brands. We'll be posting a detailed review of the same at gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.